In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva's AI text-to-image generator. It's a fantastic tool that can help bring your creative visions to life, whether you're designing for a presentation, a social media post, or just for fun. Over the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through the entire process, and by the end, you'll be able to create personalized images using this innovative technology. First things first, we need to get to canva.com. If you don't already have a Canva account, you'll need to sign up, but if you do, simply log in. Once you're on the main page, locate the option to start a new design. This is typically found under a button labeled Create a Design or something similar. Select the format that best suits your project, whether it's an Instagram post, a poster, or any other template you'd like to use. Now, on the left sidebar, you'll notice an option called Apps. Give that a click. This will open up a whole menu of powerful tools that Canva offers, and among them, you'll find Magic Media. What you want to do is select this, then choose the text-to-image option. This is your gateway to crafting images from your textual descriptions. In the text box that appears, it's time to let your imagination run wild. Describe with as much detail as possible what you want to see. This could include specific elements, colors, moods, or any other aspects that are important to your vision. The more specific you are, the better Canva's AI can understand and generate the image you're looking for. After inputting your description, you'll be prompted to choose a style and an aspect ratio. Styles could range from a more classic, painterly look to something sharp and modern. Meanwhile, aspect ratio determines the dimensions of your image, so choose one that fits your design needs, whether you're creating a landscape picture, a portrait, or a square for social media. Once you've made your selections, click Generate Image. This is where the Canva magic happens. The AI processes your description and creates an original image based on your inputs. It's always a bit exciting to see what comes out. When your image is ready, it will appear on your canvas. From here, you can edit it using Canva's suite of editing tools. Feel free to adjust colors, add text, or incorporate other design elements to make the image truly yours. Finally, when you're happy with your creation, click Share to get the option to download your image. Canva allows you to download it as a PNG, JPG, or even an MP4 if your design includes animation. Choose the format that best suits your needs, and that's it. You've successfully used Canva's AI to create a custom image. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give this feature a try and see just how much it can enhance your creative projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.